Check the sign is safe. And hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? No response. Hey, you in a blue shirt, call 911 and bring go for help.
Get the AD and come back.
Sorry.
Okay, continue.
Continue. Ano gagawin ko, sir?
Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. Yes, very good. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, negative breathing.
Rest for breathing.
Okay. Use the mask.
Use the mask.
Seal the mask. Seal mo yan. Head tilt, chin lift, and blow. Uy,
Ay, paano ba?
hindi sa'yo yan.
Ano ba?
Anyway, disinfect mo naman siya.
Yeah.
Okay, and blow. Huwag mo ilalapat na yung mouth mo.
Sige. Tapos,
Ano ba yung rescue breath?
rescue breath is 1 blow.
Uh-huh.
Then
Rest for.
Rest for 5 seconds.
And then how many times to repeat?
Ilan ba yun?
30. Since magpa-5 ka, 30 yan. Pag magsi-6 ka na lang, 20 lang. Okay, so gawin natin 6 plus 30.
Okay.
And blow. Rest. Count.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
10 na.
Ay, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30.
Check your patient if he's alive. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. Remove the mask. Look, listen, and feel. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. Wala nang breathing. Papatay na yung patient mo. Perform CPR. Xiphoid process. And lock your arms, straight your arms, forward your body, and move. Push.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Straight
9,
mo yung arms
10,
mo.
11, 12,
Straight pa. Yun. 12, 13.
15, 16,
Straight.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Look at your patient.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1. Head tilt, chin lift, seal the mask, seal, and blow. One more. Continue. Head, okay, and push, and go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Look at your
8,
patient.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5. How many times ang repeat?
5.
Okay, 5 na yan. Blow. Check, assess the patient. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. Look, listen, and feel. Remove the mask. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. Perform. Recovery position. Anong recovery position?
Left.
Tak, tak, pak, lapaa. Ito dito.
Saan ba? Ito.
Yan. Hindi dito.
Ganun ko, sir? Dito. Ito.
Yes. Why? To prevent
Choking.
aspiration. So, what can you say?
Thank you.
How did you do with the ano?
Ano, sir?
What can you say? May kaba din?
Oo.
Siyempre, may kaba. Ano pa? But is she good?
Yes, good, yeah. More practice, little bit.
Siyempre.
Like me.
Tagal na din eh. Wala, di ba?
Okay, I like you, pero ano lang, kasi iniiba-iba ko yung sequencing, kaya siguro na nanong ka sa utak mo. Ano lang talaga, practice, I guess. Practice. Yun lang naman most common natin eh.
Oo, tsaka
Tapos
hindi
your
naman
arms, makita ko kasi since naka-sleeves ka, nakita ko nagko-curve ng ganon. So, dapat straight lang talaga your arms. Tapos, ang rescue breath, you have to, I know it's the most na hindi napapansin ang rescue breath, but you have to improve on rescue breath also. Tapos all the time, every 2 minutes, you have to check for life of the patient. So kaya yung head to chin lift, importante yun. Cool. Thank you, Christine. O kayo na, para makauwi na kayo.
Oh, punasan mo. Nilits ko yan.
Akin na yung shoe. Sila muna.